Let me tell you how to get 3 months of Shopify for just $1 a month. So Shopify has just come out with a banger generous deal. It is, and get this, it's 3 days free. That hasn't changed. But you know what else has changed? It is $1 a month for 3 months. That's right, 3 months, which means that for just $3, you've got 90 days to build your store, create some marketing materials, and start earning money. So Shopify is by far my favorite e-commerce platform. And not only is it incredibly versatile and easy to use, but it makes it simple to launch literally any type of business, from print on demand, even drop shipping companies. But the only problem is that pricing can be a little bit expensive. But fortunately, Shopify has revived this really, really great offer. And now's the time to take advantage of this and launch your Shopify store. Here's how you can get started, right? The Shopify deal, 3 days free and then $1 a month for 3 months, isn't just one of the best offers Shopify has ever given. To be honest, it's one of the most generous offers I've literally seen any e-commerce store give, maybe ever. Imagine being able to launch a store and start making profits for literally $3. And even better, you can choose any Shopify plan except Shopify Plus to trial this deal, which means you can experiment with Shopify's Basic, Shopify, and Shopify Advanced, which means that you save potentially hundreds of dollars. The offer basically extends the 3-day free trial you get from Shopify as standard, allowing you to continue working and running your store for literally nothing, or almost nothing. During the deal period, you can set up your online store, you can choose a theme, you can customize it, and add unlimited products to your store and start selling them. You can connect your print on demand and drop shipping apps or any other integrations that you may have to your store. You can then create and launch your marketing plan with content, social media, and email. You can literally learn anything you need to know about the features of your Shopify plan. You can experiment with reporting, analytics. Basically, it means that anything you can do with a regular Shopify plan, you can do with this deal. So you may ask, who's actually eligible for the Shopify 3-month plan for just $1? Notably, this offer is actually targeted at specifically new users on Shopify. Unfortunately, if you've had a Shopify plan before, you might not be able to get this deal. The conditions for the plan include, number one, you got to be a new user. It means you have to be new to Shopify to take advantage of this deal. I would say that use an email address that's not associated with Shopify yet, and just to make sure that you don't get pinged. But you also need to know that it's not available in every country. You just got to make sure that you're in the right region and check if you can access it wherever you are. Next is it's only open for one store, which means that you can only access one discounted subscription per user. You've also got to have a valid credit card, right? You'll still need to give Shopify your credit card details so they can charge you for the $1 for those first 3 months. And keep in mind that Shopify can choose to modify or terminate this deal at any time. And so that's why I recommend taking advantage straight away before you miss out. Additionally, it's also worth noting that you're actually not obligated to stay on any specific plan when the deal is over. You can upgrade or downgrade, or even if you want, just stick to your current plan, or cancel your whole account altogether. But if you stick with Shopify, you'll be charged the standard monthly fees for the subscription plan you choose after the 3-month deal is over. If you cancel your account, you won't be able to continue using your Shopify store, but Shopify luckily will still hold on to all your information and store your details for a while, just in case you decide to renew. All right, so there you have it. If you meet the eligibility criteria, this is literally one of the best deals that Shopify has offered ever, so make sure you take advantage of it. There's every chance that this deal will not be offered in future, so if you are seeing this video and you are interested in starting a Shopify store, I implore you to have a look, get started, start selling, and maybe even change your life. That's all for this video. Thanks everyone for listening. If you liked it, please give us a like and subscribe. Check out our channel. We've got heaps of other videos about e-commerce platforms, comparing them. It's all great stuff. They're linked in the description. We'll see you next time.